What's the sexiest thing y'all can say in Spanish?
Exotictv.
Y'all heard it here.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Exotictv here. Today we doing the mask growth challenge. So what we gonna do is go up to females, ask them to rate us by the sound of our voice, and then we gonna take our mask off and have them rate us again. Stay tuned.
Chicago nigga.
We're gonna take that shit off.
That niggas look like Chicago niggas trying to plot with somebody.
Louis jeans for the denim, hands on throat, she driving the boat, so I hold her chin up. Fuck on a friend and fuck on my ex, so no I don't miss her. As I ate with me and rolling.
I'm here with.
Chancel.
So what you doing out here in Manhattan? You enjoying your day so far?
Yes. I'm just going out to the stores.
All right, all right. I want to ask you by the sound of my voice. How you think I look? 1 through 10.
You look good.
Think so? I said about my voice though. You feel me?
You look good.
Said I look good. Give me a rate.
8?
8.
Yeah.
You sure?
I think so.
All right, so I'm gonna take off my mask. Hopefully I can stay at 8. I can go up. I might go down. I don't know. You feel me? You gonna be the judge of that, all right?
Okay.
It's cold out here, y'all. Remember that. What I got?
You're 10.
I'm a 10?
She want me, she want me, she want me.
I look cute? All right, thank you. Come here, come here. Last thing, I want you to shout out your Instagram.
Princess.
I'm here with.
Liz Mary.
How you doing today?
Good.
I bet. We gonna make it better. We gonna have your night lit tonight, alright? You fucking with that energy?
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
I bet. Can you do a little spin for my channel real quick? She's showing off, y'all. You see it? She's showing off. All right, pull up. Come here. You going too far, look. So based on the sound of my voice, what would you rate me 1 through 10?
His voice, not his face.
The sound of my voice.
A 6.
A 6? Why a 6?
Cause you could sound more manlier.
First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up.
How you want me to sound?
I don't know, you sound a little
I feel like,
raspy.
for me, I sound the right way, like, for me, when I'm getting in my bag more, for me. You on the YouTube shit right now. All right, so bet. So I'm a 6. All right, so I'm gonna take my mask off, right? And I want you to rate me again and see if it add up. All right? I ain't going cat. My head big as shit. Almost got stuck taking that mask off. So what's my rate now?
Wait, watch this. And
Go ahead. What's my rate? Pull up. Nah. Pull up. Go ahead. Be honest. I don't give a like whatever.
8.
8. All right, bet. That's 8.5. Why 8.5?
Because you took your mask off.
No shit, Sherlock.
Now what about me? Take my. Go ahead. Why is it 8.5? Pull up. Why you scared for?
I'm not scared. You look good.
For me, I like that.
Look at me, baby. Yeah, you see it, huh, baby? On the.
How y'all doing today?
I'm okay. I'm good.
All right, bet. What's your names?
Let's see. Tash.
All right, for me, can y'all do a spin real quick for my channel? Like a spin, like. You gotta show off a little bit. Come on, a little spin. Ah, yeah, for me, she's showing off. All right, pull up, come up. I can get close, I don't bite. So my next question, right? Based on my voice, he rate me 1 through 10?
Based on your voice?
Yeah, based on my voice, rate me 1 through 10.
I didn't hear that. 6.
Based on my voice, rate me 1 through 10.
7.
7 and 6? Nah, what I gotta do to make it higher? For me, I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take off my mask, right? And we're gonna try this again. You feel me? They're gonna rate me again. I'm gonna take off my mask. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Oh, shit. So now rate me 1 through 10. 1 through 10.
8.
8? All right.
10.
10? So since you gave me an 8, what I gotta do to make it a 10?
Oh.
For me? You let me know. Whatever I gotta do to make it a 10, we can make that happen. I think you lying. I don't think it's a 10. Like your eyes telling me something different.
9.
All right, that sounds better. Sound better. We gonna make it a 10 though before this day over. So you said a 10. Why you said a 10? You just like what you see?
No. Okay, I'm joking.
I know. I feel me. I feel like I changed their minds. I did my job today. So real quick, shout out your channel. Shout out your channel or your Instagram.
Listen, read Instagram.
Right. What's your Instagram?
Taneil, Taneil.
All right. Thank you. All right.
I'm here with.
Mary.
So I got it's a translator if y'all was wondering, you feel me? But I'm gonna get right into it, you feel me? By the sound of my voice, if you hear me talking to you, how you think I would look under the mask?
You look so cute.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna
I look cute?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Give me a
Mouth too.
give me a rate from 1 through 10.
Huh?
1 through 10. 1 through 10.
8.
Think I'm an 8? Alright, so I'm gonna take off the mask. When I take off the mask, I wanna know if my number go up or down, alright?
Okay.
What's-
No, 8, 10.
Is it 10? So it went up. Y'all heard it here already, you feel me? I'm a 10, you feel me? I'm gonna take her home with me, y'all already know that, you feel me? What's your Instagram?
Diosmeri Esteves.
Make sure y'all go follow her, alright?
Sweet jeans for the denim. Hands on her throat, she driving the boat, so I hold her chin up. Fuck on a friend and fuck on my ex, so no, I don't miss her.
Those Exotictv, my mask look crazy right now, but we out here, you feel me? We getting bangers for y'all right now. Making a move.